We're having another one of our great parties. Tonight is celebrating our manufacturing partnership. And manufacture is what allows us to build even more special cars, more exclusive cars. So it's just a really cool piece to do. Like, in addition to paint to sample, now you can do features that nobody else has. So you really get a chance to make your car yours.
Hi, my name is Philip Money, and I'm the Area Exclusive Manufaktur Manager for Porsche Cars North America. Porsche South Bay is one of 20 dealerships across the country to carry the Exclusive Manufaktur Partner designation. And what that means is that this dealership is highly trained. They receive additional training directly from the factory, additional resources throughout the year, and have access to special vehicles like the ones that we saw this evening. Tonight's event is meant to highlight the 911 Turbo S Exclusive Series Cabriolet. This is a special vehicle and the latest addition to come out of the Exclusive Manufaktur workshop. This vehicle is very limited in production in this signature golden yellow metallic paint, meant exclusively for the North American market.
It's such a great and exciting privilege to be awarded the Porsche Exclusive Manufaktur, and that's why we gathered here tonight, to explain to our customers, to show them all the great attributes of a bespoke Porsche.
I think what's fun for me is it just fits in so well with our racing, our classics, this big pretty building, and how involved we are with the community. Giving back and being part of the community is such a big part for us, and this just fits in perfectly. Thanks, everybody.